Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing video from me, and today I shall be taking a closer look at another product from Dspiae, and this time I shall be reviewing the portable electric grinder, which as you can see it is quite small compared. It's not like the usual Dremel rotary tool, the big one. This is more portable. I shall be open to take a closer look, and also I shall be take a closer look at also their tungsten carbide rotary bar set, which goes together with the electric grinder. Let's begin by opening the packaging. Taking a look at the back, we can see some general information about this electric grinder right there. And now we have two boxes that are included. Inside here there is the actual grinder, and over here we have one Type C USB cord, 1 meter, and one round end double cut rotary bar. So let's begin with this one and have a closer look at what we are given. Nothing more. And I can see that they include one rotary bit to start with, right there. Very nice. And also USB cable, also branded as Dspiae. Very nice, so that we can charge the actual grinder. And now nothing more. On the back we have some information, and we can see overload cutoff, RPM indicator, overload indicator, load battery indicator, speed selector. So over here we have the LEDs that are marked in here, telling you exactly what, when they switch on, what they mean exactly. On the back we have the Allen key included. Okay, over there, this is the place for the Allen key, and the charging port right there. And on the front there's the place for the bit. And using the Allen key that is supplied to us, we can lock it in place right there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the bit, lock the Allen key right there. Very easy, not the usual screw type like the Dremel, for example. Just the Allen key that goes into place. Oh, there's another Allen key. I didn't notice that. So we have two Allen keys to be sure that it is well held in place. Ooh. And there it is, switched on. So one switch on. There we go. Slow. So we have 3 presses of different speeds right there, and then it goes off. So that is the tool. Now let's take a closer look at the rotary bar set that was purchased separately. And as we can see, with this set you get quite a nice combination of bits that can be used. We have the round, pointed, flat edge, different types that can be used for different jobs. So that is what you get with this set. Same diameter, obviously, to be used for this electric grinding set. And now The question is, can you use regular drill bits or sanding bits like these from other manufacturers? For example, these are two bits which I often use on my rotary tool, and my question is, can I fit these onto this new grinder tool? Let's see. Let's first remove the original one and see if I can use this on this electric grinder. Looking at them, they seem to be the same diameter. However, this one looks a little bit bigger. Let me make sure that the Allen keys are fully screwed out and not interfering. So this one goes in perfectly well, and these don't go all the way in. As you can see, they are a bit bigger in diameter compared to the original ones. So the wider diameter ones cannot be used on this type of electric grinder. Then there is the smaller diameter, like this one, for example, which has a smaller diameter rod than those. Obviously this one can be inserted, however it's a bit loose and it will be a little bit risky to hold. To just screw it with the Allen keys. It is held firmly well in place. As you can see, you can try working with it, however, as you can see regarding the gap, there's a gap in between the edge and the actual shaft, so it's not like it's supposed to work. Even when you start, you can see that it is not just rotating, however it is slightly wobbling in place. So I guess that this electric grinder tool is specifically designed to work with the attachments that are designed for it, like the one they give you, and also the set that is purchased separately. On the back of the box there is written, this product is compatible with portable motors as well as other grinders that hold 3mm shanks. So as long as it is a 3mm diameter shaft on the back, you can work with it. Other than that, I'm guessing these are just a little bit slightly bigger than 3mm. Now I am ready to do some tests to see the performance. I shall be using it mostly on plastic, so I don't have a spare body to try it on. However, I have this piece of flexible plastic, and I think that it will be a good subject to try some milling on. And looking at the box of the bits of the Burr set, we can see over here that we have milling action is best usage of these bits, and also very good protection, beware of blasting chips. So they are giving us the warning to wear eye protection, and so out comes my safety glasses right now, and I'm going to wear them also to be safe as instructed. Now let's turn it on. Speed 1, speed 2, and 3. Let's try some milling action on this piece of plastic to see the performance that this type of grinding tool can perform. Alright, so that was a short test to see its capability. As you could have noticed, I was making some force when operating, and it kept going. It didn't stall at all. So for its size, I must say that it's quite powerful, because at no time did it stall while I was making the pressure, And also the tool, this is the one that was given with the grinder, not the extra that was purchased. And I could notice that it has quite sharp teeth, and in fact it made the milling process, as you can see, quite as expected. So it looks good for what it is actually intended. So that is all from me. I would like to thank a friend of mine, which is this one right here, Duke Scale Models, for providing me with this fantastic electric grinder. And you can follow his work on Instagram. I will leave a link into this video's description. I thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments down below. Even if you have been using this particular electric grinder for some time, feel free to share your experience with us. It's a new tool for me, so I'll be more than happy to learn about what I can do and what I can't do. Feel free to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. That will be very appreciated, and I will see you all into my next video.